In the last lecture video, I discussed the product building and structures. In the product building and structures, I discussed what you mean by virtual product development, what are the benefits of virtual product development. Next, virtual product development tools. So in that, two virtual product development tools, 3D CAD system and digital mockup. Today I will explain about 3D CAD system and digital mockup. 3D CAD system. 3D CAD system. So all the professional industries, that means most of the professional industries, what they have to use design tools, that all that variety of design tools that will cover in the 3D CAD system. For example, you can take what today's leading 3D CAD systems, that includes SolidWorks, Solid Edge, Unigraphics NX, CATIA, like that. Almost all the design tool softwares that will include in the 3D CAD system. So what we have to do it in the 3D CAD system means, in this 3D CAD system we have to use it for to create a three-dimensional geometrical model. So whatever the three-dimensional geometrical model or product you can create it, that we have to create it in a virtual environment. So once if you have to create that model, we are allowing people to share their ideas, and if you want to visualize any concepts, they can visualize it. If they want to simulate any designs or how the designs is done, and if they want to perform anything before they will made it, they can perform it in the 3D CAD system. So that purpose we have to use the 3D CAD system. So there are n number of benefits from the 3D CAD system. Only few I will highlight it. So here this the first benefit is create conceptual design, product layout, strength and dynamic analysis of the parts and assemblies and the manufacturing processes that we can perform in the 3D CAD system. And next is you can increase the design quality, that you can increase it. How means, so if you are allowing people to go through the design, simulate the design, during that time if any design changes is there, you can do it and you can increase the quality of that design. And rapid generation of bill of materials, that you can do it in the 3D CAD system. And engineering and manufacturing processes, we can simultaneously we can share from 3D CAD data, that you can do it. And next is digital mockup. So digital mockup, it is a complete virtual product environment for the whole process of 3D development and maintenance of the product, that including a configuration and change management, that will consist in the digital mockup. And here this digital mockup, that will contain information about the product product geometry, for example value and or surface models and product structures. And next, what it consists, so here whatever we developed in the 3D CAD system, in the 3D CAD data from the virtual product model or from the master model, that we can convert it or simplified. So that we can simplify it or we can convert it, and that we can use it for the DMU processes. And whatever the data we are converting or simplifying, that data will be in the in the form of formats like STEP, IGEC, like that. And whatever design means, all the design work has to be done within the DMU environment. Whatever the design we can do it, so that we have to do it in DMU environment. Any investigations if you want to do it, we can do it in the DMU environment. If you want to do any work, we can do it that. So once if the work done is done in a separate environment, so later if you want to use that, that is not usable for the others, means that will disappear from that environment. So once during that time only, whatever the investigations, whatever the work you have to do it, you can do it. Once if the work done is completed, so then that will disappear, or that is not usable for others. Later if you want to use it, that is not usable for the others. And what are the benefits of the digital mockup? So digital mockup provides ultra high performance 3D viewing, analysis for product design by providing simultaneous loading, analysis of data from different CAD systems. It also encourages more design alternatives, leading to increased product innovation. And next is building virtual product model. In building virtual product model, there are different types of models are there. The main three types of virtual product models are constructive solid geometry, second one is boundary representation, and third one is future based parametric design. So these are the three important virtual product models. So thank you.